Some of the gadgets you're about to see were banned, restricted, or removed from stores in different countries, not because they're useless, but because they're too powerful, too smart, or too dangerous in the wrong hands. What's crazy is, you can still buy them on Amazon right now. And no, this is not clickbait. Stay till the end, because gadget number 3 and number 1 are things most people don't even know still exist. Today's video is not about normal gadgets. This is about banned gadgets, restricted tech, and products that quietly disappear from shelves, yet somehow survived online. Let's get straight into it. Gadgets number 26, Balisong-Style multi-tool trainer design. Kicking off the list with design that immediately raises red flags. The butterfly-style folding mechanism is banned in many regions due to how quickly it can be deployed. Even when the blade is replaced with a tool or opener, the concealed, rapid deployment design alone can be enough to cause legal trouble. In some jurisdictions, design intent matters more than function, and that's where problems begin. Gadgets number 25, DIY covert camera components. This isn't a finished product. That's the problem. These kits allow cameras to be permanently embedded into everyday objects, making them nearly impossible to detect. Because there's no casing and no standard form factor, they enable long-term hidden surveillance, which is illegal in many places without consent. This is one of the most controversial forms of monitoring tech you can buy. Gadgets number 24, advanced EMF detection meter. Looks harmless. Isn't. Professional-grade EMF meters are used in counter-surveillance, detecting electronic activity that normal scanners can't see. They're designed to identify hidden electronics, wired devices, and interference patterns. Legal to own in some places, but heavily scrutinized depending on intent. Gadgets number 23, portable smoke/fog generator. Sold for photography, used for confusion. These compact, battery-powered devices can instantly flood an area with thick visual obstruction. While legal for entertainment use, misuse can create dangerous situations involving visibility loss, panic, or evasion concerns. Context matters a lot. Gadgets number 22, high-output strobe flashlight. This isn't your average flashlight. High-frequency strobe modes are designed to overwhelm human vision temporarily. In some regions, devices intended to disorient rather than illuminate fall into restricted self-defense categories, a tool or a liability, depending on local law. Gadgets number 21, credit card skimmer detection tool, built to fight fraud, but also to understand it. These tools detect unauthorized skimming devices on payment terminals. While useful for security professionals, possession alone can raise questions because of how specialized the technology is. Another example of defensive tech with controversial implications. Gadgets number 20, retail security tag Detacher. This is store-level equipment, designed for removing anti-theft tags. Its open availability is extremely controversial. Unauthorized possession in many areas is treated as intent to commit retail theft, regardless of usage. One of the most legally sensitive items on this list. Gadgets number 19, ultra-high-strength neodymium magnet. Industrial strength, industrial consequences. These magnets are powerful enough to interfere with magnetic data, locks, and sensitive electronics. Improper use can damage property instantly and unintentionally. Strong magnets, serious responsibility. Gadgets number 18, long-life voice-activated recorder. Weeks of battery life. Zero visibility. Designed for unattended recording. These devices cross legal boundaries fast when used without consent. Audio surveillance laws are among the strictest worldwide. This is where ownership versus usage becomes critical. Gadgets number 17, precision glass cutting tool. Marketed for trade work, but highly regulated in some areas. Tools capable of cutting glass quietly and cleanly are closely watched because of how easily they can be misused. In many regions, possession without professional justification can raise legal suspicion. Gadgets number 16, wideband radio scanner receiver. This one is serious. Professional scanners can access protected frequency ranges, including emergency services. Monitoring or recording restricted communications is a federal offense in many countries. Licensing matters here. Gadgets number 15, industrial lock penetration spray. not your average lubricant. Some chemical compounds are designed to compromise internal lock mechanisms. Because of their specific function, they're considered bypass tools, not maintenance products in certain jurisdictions. Gadgets number 14. Disguise grooming item with hidden blade. Disguised weapons are illegal in many places, period, regardless of blade size. The intentional concealment inside everyday objects makes these items heavily restricted. Design alone can equal a charge. Gadgets number 13. Portable biometric lockbox. Secure, fast, discreet. While often used for legitimate safety, portable biometric safes are closely regulated due to how quickly they allow access to sensitive contents. Another example where context determines legality. Gadgets number 12. USB data blocking adapter. Purely defensive, but revealing. These adapters prevent data transfer during charging. Their existence highlights real digital threats in public spaces. Widely legal but misunderstood. Gadgets number 11. Infrared illuminator, invisible light. This emits light you can't see. Used with night vision systems. Infrared illumination enables visibility in total darkness without detection because of its military and surveillance applications. It's restricted in some regions. Gadgets number 10. Articulating fiber-optic borescope. Designed for inspections, but powerful. These cameras can see into sealed or inaccessible spaces without physical entry. Legal for trades, but questionable in unauthorized environments. Gadgets number 9. Acoustic noise generator. Silence through noise. These devices generate randomized sound to prevent conversation recording. In many countries, deliberate interference with recording or communication devices can be illegal. Gadgets number 8. Digital car key cloning tool. One of the most controversial categories. These devices interact with modern keyless systems. Unauthorized use is illegal almost everywhere and closely monitored. High risk, high consequences. Gadgets number 7. RFID/NFC Duplicator. Access control technology. While used by professionals, cloning access credentials without permission is a serious offense. Ownership alone may require licensing. Gadgets number 6. Portable EMP-Style disruption device. Electronic disruption is no joke. Devices designed to interfere with electronics are heavily regulated due to potential damage and safety risks. This category is restricted for a reason. Gadgets number 5. Key-Fob disguised Wi-Fi camera. One of the most deceptive designs. Hidden cameras disguised as everyday objects are illegal in many privacy-focused jurisdictions. Disguise equals intent in the eyes of the law. Gadgets number 4. License plate concealment mechanism. No gray area here. Any device intended to obscure or alter license plate visibility is illegal in virtually every jurisdiction. Gadgets number 3. Professional bug detection system. Counter-surveillance at its highest level. Ultra-sensitive detection equipment is typically restricted to licensed professionals. Gadgets number 2. Wearable Wi-Fi interference device. Disguised as a watch. Devices that disrupt communication networks violate telecommunications laws worldwide. Extremely serious offenses. Gadgets number 1. High-power laser rangefinder. Power matters. Lasers exceeding civilian limits are regulated due to safety and interference risks. So yeah, these gadgets aren't just interesting, they're controversial. Some are banned in certain countries, some are restricted, and some exist in that quiet gray zone where how you use them matters more than what they are. This video isn't about promoting misuse, it's about awareness. Because technology doesn't become dangerous on its own. People decide that. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment which gadget shocked you the most. More hidden tech, more real talk, and more gadgets you didn't know still exist. Coming very soon. Stay smart, stay legal, and I'll see you in the next one.